Sometimes we go carelessly till we're drowning in the sea. Wrong.